Good morning, students. Today I will discuss one of the most important topic, network security attack, which comes under subject network security. Before we going to network security attack topic, first of all, I will tell you what is network, then what is called security. Then we will move on to the topic network security attacks. First of all, I will tell you what is network. It is a connection of two or more computers that will capable enough to share two types of resources. Resources types are as follows. First one is hardware resource and second one is software resource. Sharing a printer between two or more computers is one of the best example in hardware resource sharing, and sharing of any file and any pdf that comes under in software resource sharing. Now we will move to a security term. Security, it is a measure that we will implement to protect confidential information from the unauthorized user. Here unauthorized user refer as attacker that destroy or alter the information that is going on between sender and receiver. Now we will move to the topic network security attack. Network security attacks divided into two, an active attack and second one is passive attack. In active attack, first of all, we will see what is active attack, then categories of active attack. Active attack no, An active attack attempts to alter system resources or affect their operation. Active attacks involve some modification of the data stream or the creation of a false stream, and can be subdivided into three categories. First one is interruption, second one is modification, and third one is fabrication. Now we will see active attacks categories one by one. First one is interruption. Interruption, that we will also say that it's a denial of service. In interruption prevents or inhibits the normal use or management of communication facilities. This type of attack may have a specific target. For example, an entity may suppress all messages directed to a particular destination. Another form of service denial is the disruption of an entire network, either by disabling the network or by overloading it with messages so as to degrade performance. Now we will come next category, modification. Modification of messages simply means that some portion of legitimate message is altered or that message are delayed or recorded. For example, a message meaning allow John Smith to read confidential file accounts is modified to mean allow Fred Braun to read confidential file accounts. Mm, that is example of modification. Now we will come to the next category, fabrication. In fabrication, there is a one entity pretends to be a different entity. In this type of attack, it's usually include one of the other forms of active attack. Fabrication example is authentication sequence can be captured and replayed after a valid authentication sequence has taken place, thus enabling unauthorized entity with a few privileges to obtain extra privileges by impersonating an entity that has those privileges. Now this all about active attack. Then we will proceed to passive attack. Passive attack attempts to learn or make use of information from the system but does not affect system resources. Passive attacks are in the nature of eavesdropping on monitoring of transmissions The goal of opponent is to obtain information that is being transmitted. There are two types of passive attacks. First one is interruption, then second one is traffic analysis. In interruption, it's easily understood by the example: telephone conversation, electronic mail messages, and a transferred file may contain sensitive information. In this attack, an attacker learn or make use of information from the system, but not affect the system resources. Actually, in interception, there is a one sender that send a message to the receiver side, and receiver is the one who receives the confidential information from the sender side. Actually, attacker is the one who have a not authority, who have not permission to learn or read the message, but actually attack on the confidential information. Now this all about interception. Then we will move to traffic analysis topic. In traffic analysis, in this one, the opponent could determine the location and identity of communicating host, and could observe the frequency and length of messages being exchanged. This all about traffic analysis. Now one of the most important thing is how to prevent these types of attacks which comes in confidential information. So one of the most important is by means of encryption technique, we can prevent these two types of attacks, active and both passive attack. Okay, this is all about network security attacks topic. Thank you so much to all students.